So I found a way to try to generate videos on Google for free. So if you come to the aistudio.google.com, this is where you find some Google tools, some Google AI tools that you can use for free. So currently I am in the generative media here, and I want to generate videos with Google VEO. All right. So here I just want to paste the prompt. So I got a very simple prompt from ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to give me a very short animated story. So this is very short. And then I want to come to Google. All right. Now we are in Google, and these are, I'm going to close this. So these are examples of what, these are different videos that we can make, or examples of the kind of videos we can make right here. So we just want to describe our video here. So I'm going to paste the video or the script I got from ChatGPT, and this is just going to give this tool an idea of what I want to do. So this is different from the regular VEO tree, all right, although this is the VEO. So you can come here, click on run prompts, all right. As you can see, say my prompt is being queued, that my video will be generated and it will appear here shortly, and you can see the timing running here. So I'm just curious to see how this is going to come out, the quality is going to use. And if this works, that means we can use just one prompt to generate very good videos on Google for free. So we've not done anything. They did not ask for my credit card or any trial or whatsoever. So all I had to do was just log in using my Gmail and give it access to my Google Drive. And you can basically paste your prompt and give it some time to load. So it looks like we are done because the timer here now is now off. So let's give it some time. So this is the animation here. So I have a problem with this box here. This box doesn't want to close, but let's see if we can play it. So you can play the video to see what it looks like. So this is what the video looks like, which is not bad, to be frank. So it's not bad. I think it's done, which is quite short. So the video is very short, but it's free. So we can download the video right here. So it doesn't add any voice to it, but we can generate the video, which is good. And we could do it for free without paying any money. So this is how you can use this free tool from Google to generate videos using a prompt. So the only issue with this is it's gave it just wait. The time frame is just too short. Maybe the prompt isn't so good, but the time frame is too short. All right. So you can basically make it longer and see what it brings out. In short, I'm going to try this. I have a longer prompt here, so I'm just going to copy it and see what it does. So I'm going to delete this one and put it right here, and I'm just going to run it and see what it can do. So we run it again and we give it some time to see what it's going to do. So it says our prompt is being queued, so we are going to give it some time again to see what it's going to give us. So this is done. Now let's play the video and see. So this is the video. Decided to use its own style. Again, this video is quite short. I don't know why, but this is what we get. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video. See you in my next video.